Okay, welcome back. Um, Today is day 8, I believe. I think I'm losing my mind slowly. But today is another trading day. Left my job to trade Forex professionally. And basically, here's what happened today. So because of yesterday, I realized that I couldn't trade NAS 100, which is the pair that I was supposed to be trading as the pair I backtest my strategy on. Basically, the lot sizing and the whole market, the leverage thingy did not allow me to risk what I want to risk on it, so I had to switch to a forex pair. Now, yesterday I go on backtest the strategy I have for NAS 100 on GBP USD, and that shit was atrocious. So last night I try and backtest, nothing not working. So I say, you know what? I'm not going to go into the day trading GBP USD when I know in my backtest the strategy not working. So I say I just take the whole today I just take the whole day off to backtest and refresh the strategy I had for NES 100 for GBP USD. So I basically tweak the strategy around to fit GBP USD. Alright. What we can see is me. How much trades I take already? I basically backtest for the whole day I've been backtesting, but that backtesting is in detail. Like I doesn't usually go in that detail with backtesting, but I just really wanted to know what price doing and why price making losses because it was getting annoying. So I had to really get on a psychopath level with with backtesting. So as you can see, you see in GBP USD backtest, I enter every single one of those words inside of there by hand. So I backtest like 23 trades. I have the pictures of all the trades. Let me show you all in my files. Show you all in my files right there. You have the that's the pictures of every one of the trades. As you can see, being back testing that one hit take profit one. Are you moving forward on that, boy? Okay. Now, so that's not a trade. That's not a trade I take today. So as we can see, I think that mixing up trades. Okay, that's that's definitely one. That's definitely not the trades I take today. But I don't know. I think it mixing up the trades um I have in my folder. But basically, what I saying is I backtest in depth, like extremely in depth for every trade. Was it in line with the uptrend? 1 hour, 4 hour, what level I was sweep, reversal strength, like I read the reversal strength, the entry candle, what type of candle was it, the time inside of the trade, the time outside of the trade, was it a buy or sell, was it in a discount or premium zone, the amount of pips above the liquidity point. That, oh, basically I just go in depth. The time after news, the date, the TP it hit, and win or loss. So basically, with that strategy, we're seeing some extreme win rates that could be improved after I'm going to put that data I find out in my Excel spreadsheet and feed it into DeepSeek and basically prompt DeepSeek to be a professional trader who has been trading GBP USD for like 10 years, and then ask it based on that data, how can that strategy be improved even more. But right now we could see the win rate for that strategy is 70%, which will be improved because I already ran it through DeepSeek and it basically showed me some things that you know that going to help. I'm going to run you all through the whole rundown. Tomorrow I'm going to be trading that strategy because the results are insane basically. You can see some days we take 5 trades, one trade, one trade, one trade, one trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, one trade, 2 trades, one trade, one trade. That's on a $5,000 account, by the way, as we can see. So when we buy the 100K account, obviously it's going to look like more money. You could see the times we're winning the most. Wow, I didn't even see that. We're winning more trades in the 10 o'clock area. Wow, that's amazing shit. I didn't even notice that because I was too busy back testing the shit out of that strategy. But 8.9% in almost 1 month. We almost at the end of June on a strategy. I so glad that that shit happened yesterday. Like I say, everything let's go. my way and everything will work out in the end. That's exactly why that happened yesterday, so it could lead me to that right now. But that's basically the video for today. Um, didn't get, well, not didn't get, chose not to trade today because the strategy I had for NAS wasn't really working how it was working on NAS for GBP USD. So I had to go inside of that shit and tweak that shit, the hell out of that shit. I had to basically squeeze all the lemons. Anyways, I get too carried away. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the support. You already know. Big up.